Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great Food. On the menu today, I'm going to make a couple of things here. We're going to do a really simple stir-fried vegetables. I really love this, nice and crispy and crunchy, just with garlic and ginger. And then a simple, very simple in fact, garlic and black pepper rice. These two together I think are amazing. Healthy, vegetarian and vegan. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, so let's take a look at what we've got here then. Now what you're going to need are the following: onion, garlic and ginger. Everything else you can play around with. I'm going to be using today some broccoli, some cauliflower, some green beans, spring onions, green onions or scallions, whatever you call them, green pepper, baby corn, carrots, celery and some mange tout or sugar snaps. Think about adding some bean sprouts to this, water chestnuts, bamboo shoots, cabbage, mushrooms. You know, you can really muck about with it. We're going to start off with some oil. We're going to add some salt and pepper, and of course we're going to add some rice a bit later. So you're going to need a wok or a pan or something and some oils in there getting hot. I'm using this organic soya oil. Getting that nice and hot, and what we're going to do is drop in first our garlic and ginger. Followed by our onion. And then you want to just start adding your hardest vegetables. First mine are carrots and the celery and my cauliflower. And high heat, we're going to go for about 3 minutes, keep it moving. And then we're just simply going to add the next hardest vegetable. See in about 3 minutes. Fantastic. So next up for me, I'm going to go with my green beans, my mange tout or sugar snaps or whatever you're going to use, my baby corn and the peppers, and our broccoli. So that's me done for vegetables. But if you were adding zucchini, courgettes or mushrooms, you'd put them in at a little bit later stage. I'm going to add some salt here. Now, be careful with salt if you're going to add some soy sauce or something like that. I'm not, so just be careful with that if you are. Black pepper, plenty of that. Now I use that soya oil. You could use sesame oil, for example, would be really nice, or even coconut oil could be good. Keeping this really nice and fresh and clean. I'll be back in about 3 or 4 minutes, staying on this high heat and moving it pretty much all the time. Fabulous. What I'm going to do now is just add a little bit of water. Maybe that was a cup of water. Again, staying on this high heat, a couple more minutes. What that water's going to do is just steam out, just help our vegetables cook. They're still going to be really nice and crunchy, but I just find that little bit of water there really helps. See you in about 2 minutes. Fantastic. Most of that water's gone already. Off goes the heat. Let's drop in those green onions or spring onions, whatever you call them. Give that a little mix. And that's done, beautiful. What I want to do now is set these aside and we can get on with our rice. Delicious. So back at the pan again, getting some oil hot there. I've got some sunflower oil there. Got like a tablespoon of garlic. In that goes. Little handful of black peppercorns, which I like in that. And then straight away we're going to go in with our rice. I'm using a cold basmati rice. I find that cold rice works so much better. It fries just so much better. Very, very simply. I'm just going to add a little bit of salt here. High heat. Keep going for about 4 to 5 minutes. Stirring all the time. And this is done. I hope you can hear that. You really need to get that sound, really high heat. That's the rice actually frying. Off goes the heat, that's beautiful. If you want, you could add, some chili in there, chili flakes, fresh chili, maybe a touch of soy sauce if you wanted. I'm keeping it nice and easy. Let me get that on a plate. Okay, and there you go, done. Beautiful, simple, garlic ginger fried vegetables, nice and crunchy still, and a simple fried garlic rice. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, leave us a message. We do like to hear from you. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.